Hello student, today we'll discuss on unit number 5 digital logic families. In this unit we are discussing about the topic classification of logic families, characteristic of logic families. So first start with the example of logic families. General comparison of three commonly available logic family: CMOS, TTL and ECL. CMOS, TTL and ECL. Okay, so in your syllabus the CMOS and TTL are there. Okay, so first thing is what their full name. CMOS stand for complementary metal oxide semiconductor. TTL stand for transistor logic, and third one is your emitter coupled logic. So their advantages and disadvantages we'll discuss. Lowest power consumption, most common logic family used in all microcomputer chip today. Earliest developed, most rigid, least sustainable to electrical damage. And in ECL, fastest available logic family. Disadvantage: easily damaged by static discharge and voltage spike. Consumes more power than CMOS, not sustainable or not suitable for battery operated devices. This consumes more power than CMOS and require extreme care in wiring. So main we can call as advantage, it lowest power consumption, right? Whenever you select the particular type or logic family, at that time the parameters are we keep in your mind is related to power consumption. So here in CMOS it require lowest powers. Now see the each package contain the code identification package, like these are the on the IC. On IC written the N74LS00. We don't know the student mostly what is their name. So first letter is related to your manufacturing code. So N is written means National Semiconductor, SN means Signetics. Then later on the 74 is the series. 74 is the series. After that their LS like this are written, low power, LS low power, short key, H means highest power, like these are their specification. Then last two numbers it is for the means 00 is written means what, there is a quad 2 input NAND gate. Okay, so this IC and their details is that like 0 is written quad 2 input NOR, 04 means hex inverter, then 20 means dual 4 input NAND gate. Okay, so different notation having the different. Now see the introduction. In logic family, it is a group of compatible ICs with the same logic level and the supply voltages for performing various logic functions. They have been fabricated using specific circuit configuration. They are the building block of logic circuits. It is set of techniques used to implement logic within a large scale LSI. We know that whenever we are talking about our family, okay, means those members come from your surnames, your blood relatives, families belonging from the same category. So here the in ICs, the families belonging from the CMOS, TTL, these are the one classification of the types. Another, it depends upon the how many components are exit. Okay, for example, IC is integrated using the following integration technique. Suppose SSI, small scale integration, up to 12 components. Medium scale integration, 12 to 99. LSI, 100 to 900, 9999. Then in VLSI, this word we have heard number of times, is 10,000 to 99,999. Then ultra ULSI, ultra scale small scale integration circuit. Okay, this is a very large scale integration. Ultra large scale integration is more than 1 lakh. More than 1 lakh. Then see, these are the types of logic family. Okay, if it is unipolar logic family, then MOSFET. Bipolar, then it is non-saturated or saturated. Again the non-saturated, then Schottky TTL, ECL. Then saturated, then these are the RTL, register transistor logic, DCTL, DTL, I2L, STL, TTL. Okay, so like these are the classification of or types of logic family. Okay. So see, so basic configuration or basic characteristic of ICs. These are the different characteristics. Okay, so in the coming lecture we will see the different characteristic of the IC. Thank you.